let me talk about the booleans. You need one mesh in background. In this case I will use this guy here. Select your mesh, geometry, boolean. You can subtract, intersect, add and union. Add and union are the same thing. You can see just will union the both meshes. I can deselect this guy here now. You can see are only one piece, only one mesh. Let me undo some steps, and you can use these other options. In this case, intersect. Just will intersect your meshes, and you can use your subtract mode. You can see here. Make some to subtract your mesh. You had an option here, or this one. You can use background or last selected. Just select your mesh, and let me give you another example how to use booleans. Are something very basic. Let me select this guy here, this guy here, this another mesh in background. Just go here, geometry, boolean are some an example. Subtract background. Okay, hit OK. And you can see the effect. So adjust it. We had our solid drill here. You can use your core or tunnel, are the same thing we see before, but in this way you cannot make this intersection. You can see are two pieces. You need to use a bridge or something like this to link these two selections. These are tunnel, and we had core are the same thing. Solid drill, core. You can see here. These two polygons are not linked, and of course we had our stencil and slice are the same thing. You can select your stencil, hit OK. Now you can see here, I can just select, make this selection here. I can in this case cut these pieces for an example, or some options. We will learn how to use it in subdivision mode. We had another option here, our drill. I will use these two guys here, this box and this plane here. You can just use your plane. This will intersect my box in this case using this plane here. Select your box, geometry, boolean, drill, and choose in this case tunnel for an example. Select your axis, in this case my axis X, you can see here, and this will cut my box. Hit OK. You can see here. You can use every another options we see before. In this case you can use my stance for an example. You can see here are very useful tool. So let me show a little trick here to make an hole using my boolean in subdivision mode. So select solid drill, stencil mode. Okay, you can see here stencil are applied. I don't need this mesh anymore. We'll show the way I think are much more easy and fast to do this. To do it, I will select this polygons here. Just hit delete. Now I need to select these edges here. You can see this not affect my mesh. just hit backspace to delete that. This not affect my mesh here. If I delete this guy here, I will destroy my mesh. You can see here. So keep these two guys here, this one and this one. You can see my count are 16 edges here and 16 edges here. So select everything, run your bridge, and in this case I can use my polygon mode, X to extrude mode. Just click and drag. Some loop slice here, count 2, and just hit tab. Perfect circle with your stencil in subdivision mode, of course. So thanks for watching.